Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to embed Microsoft Forms in Outlook email. First, go to your Outlook app. Next, right-click on the blank space in the upper right corner, and then choose Customize Ribbon. After that, create a new group by clicking on New Group. Then, click on the drop-down menu and select All Commands. Afterward, scroll down until you see Choose Form and click on it. At this point, you'll have a group for forms. Now, click on Import or Export and then choose Import Customization File. From here, upload your Microsoft Forms file and click OK. Once done, you'll notice a new tab called Choose Form. When you click on it, it will display your Microsoft Forms that you can use in Outlook. And that's it. You've successfully embedded Microsoft Forms in Outlook. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.